Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Career Chats with RK and welcome to another video. So in this video we are going to see how to remove duplicate values in Excel from the table. Okay, so I have taken one example here. In this table we have name and roll number, and as you can see we have Raj, Sam, Raj, TT, Raj and Rakesh. So in this table we have only two duplicate records, that is first Raj. Okay, as you can see, Raj roll number is 1, and then second, Raj roll number is 1. We have also named Raj, but the roll number is different, so this is not a duplicate value. But this and these two are duplicate values in this table. So how to remove that values? So now we are going to remove these duplicate values from this table. So simply go on the data function. Okay, and in the data view, here is the one function remove duplicates. So to use this function, first you need to like select that table. So I will select this table. Okay, go in the data tab, and here is a one option remove duplicates. So remove that duplicates. It will ask you from which column you want to remove the duplicates. So I want to remove the both, like name, I want to also name and roll number. Okay, so I will press OK and press OK. So as you can see, Raj, the one duplicate values is removed here, and yeah, so this is the option to remove the duplicates in Excel. So I hope you like it. If you like it, please do like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys.